Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Geologica. So here I found a vacancy in the National Institute of Technology NIT Raipur related to the PhD. So let's go to the website and you will find on the front page a pop-up notification related to the PhD admission 2021. So what you can do, simply click on the download and your PDF will be downloaded. So let's open it, and here you will get the positions, what are the PhD positions and subjects, and you will find two links. One is for the information bulletin, another is for the application form. Here the last date is 21st 12 2021, and you will get the application fees, that is 500 and 250 for the different categories. Now let's go to the detailed information bulletin. So what you will get in the information bulletin, you will get the eligibility condition, other qualifications, and a lot of other things. So let us see the how to apply. You will get the PDFs, whatever you have to send on the respective email IDs. So here is the minimum eligibility criteria. It is a master's degree in engineering, technology, science, management, humanities, based on your subject or branch, and the minimum marks should be 60% or 6.5 CGPA in the master's degree. Okay. And other conditions are for specifically what type of PhD you are going to apply, whether it is full-time, sponsored, self-finance, or the part-time candidate. So for different types we have the different conditions. So you will get all of these conditions are here for the part-time, regular. And now let's come to the selection procedure. What you will get if you are NET qualified, then you don't need to appear in the entrance examination. You will be directly appeared on the interview section. But if you are not qualified, you have to give an entrance exam, and then based on the cutoff, you will go for the interview. Okay, now the reservations are as per the guidelines, and here you will got the scholarship, the details of department wise vacancies under the category of full time. Whatever scholarship are awarded, you will get those. So the date of written exam will be shown shortly, and here is the application fees 500 250, the documents whatever you needed for the verification. Then you have the departments. So in the department of applied geology, you have the research fields which are structural geology, petrology and geochemistry, hydrogeology, remote sensing and GIS. Especially you have the area of hyperstructural remote sensing in the mineral exploration use. You have the subsidence monitoring of coal mines using microwave remote sensing, and you have field areas of oil spill detection using remote sensing, and also the lunar mapping using the Chandrayaan data. And for the other departments we have other specific fields. So if you are belongs to some different department, you can go from there. And these are the forms, these are not for specifically regular candidates. So if you are a part-time student going to appear, so you have to fill such forms, and one form is for the sponsorship. So if someone sponsors you, so you may fill that form also. Now let's go to the final number of seats. So here is the third last page. You will get the for applied geology you have two seats for unreserved, and one for OBC, one for SC, a total number of four seats. Okay, then you have to submit your application form, photograph, and documents in your respective departmental email ID. So in the case of applied geology, you have this email ID, and you have to attach three files. First is the digitally filled and complete application form, then one recent passport size photograph, and the soft copies of all the documents whatever needed. So now let's see, we have photograph, we have the soft copies, but when we will get the digitally filled application form. So to get this, let's click on the back button, and you will get the second link here, application form. So click on this, and here is the digital form. You can uh, type here and complete your digital form and download it from here, and then you can attach it with your email ID. So it's all about for today. I hope you like this video. If you did not get the pop-up notification on your first screen, then you can go for the examination. I think, sorry, then you can go in the research and consultancy, or you should go in the admission and fees structure. Okay, there you will go the PG programs, UG programs, and you have to click on the PhD admission, and you will get the same thing from this link. Okay, so it's all about for today. Thank you.